Hey guys, this is Bart coming to you from TST Industries in Florida with another episode of TST Garage. In this segment, as you can see, I have a 2025 and up Yamaha YZF R3 here in the shop with me. This video will be focusing on the installation of the TST Industries Mirror Block Offs in place of the OEM mirrors you see here with the help of only 2 tools. This will be a very simple installation, so no sweat there. I will guide you through it, no problem. I do want to mention that this is really a track-only modification or modification for those guys who have already removed their mirrors and replaced them with appropriate mirrors to keep street legality. All that being said, we'll grab some tools, and we'll bust into this thing. Let's get going. To begin, we will have to remove the caps that are blocking off the access to the screw heads here. My nail does an adequate job of lifting them up and pulling them off. This exposes a 5mm Allen head screw, top and bottom. We'll remove one all the way, and then while holding the mirror, I will work on the second one. Now, as you apply counterclockwise torque to this screw, it will have a tendency to move the mirror upwards this way. You need to make sure that you don't allow it to go too far and then scratch into the surface of your fairing. Once this is off, we will remove this rubber and also these spacers. Then we'll need to pick the appropriate side mirror block off. Obviously, these are side specific. There we go. And your kit does arrive with 4 screws for the installation. We'll get those 2 of them in here. I recommend getting them seated by hand and then using a tool to follow up. These screw heads are 4mm Allen, so we will need to switch tools. I like to snug them up just a little bit, but still leave some adjustability. We'll just make sure that the block off distributes itself properly within the weld that it fits into, making sure that all of the gaps around the entire perimeter are same. And then I will lock it down all the way. All right, now I'm going to hop on over to the left side. It is exactly the same procedure, so I will skip the commentary. All right guys, that's pretty much it. As you can tell from the video, it's a 1 to 2 minute installation per side. You'll be able to go back and forth between mirrors and block offs really easily and quickly should you need to do so for track use or otherwise. I hope you enjoyed this video. We like bringing them to you. If you have any notes, comments, or anything, drop them below in the comment feed. On that, check us out at tstindustries.com. We have parts for this bike and other bikes you may have in your stable, so check us out. We'll see you later.